trading platform that allows you to trade various financial instruments such as stocks, commodities, and currencies. To make money on Expert Option, you need to have a good understanding of the financial markets and the trading strategies that can help you profit from them. Here are some tips to help you make money on Expert Option. Educate yourself. Before you start trading on Expert Option, you should educate yourself about the financial markets and the trading strategies that are used by successful traders. You can find a lot of information online, and there are also many courses and books that can help you improve your trading skills. Start with a demo account. Expert Option offers a demo account that you can use to practice trading without risking real money. This is a great way to learn how to use the platform and test out different trading strategies. Develop a trading plan. A trading plan is a set of rules that you follow when you trade. It should include your entry and exit points, stop-loss levels, and risk management strategies. Having a trading plan can help you stay disciplined and avoid making emotional decisions. Manage your risk. Risk management is an essential part of trading. You should never risk more than you can afford to lose, and you should always use stop-loss orders to limit your losses. Keep a trading journal. Keeping a trading journal can help you track your progress and identify areas where you need to improve. You should record your trades, including the reasons why you entered and exited the market, and any mistakes that you made. Stay up to date with the news. The financial markets are constantly changing, and it's important to stay up to date with the latest news and events that can affect your trades. You can use news sources like Bloomberg, Reuters, and CNBC to stay informed. Remember that trading on Expert Option involves a significant risk of loss, and you should never invest money that you can't afford to lose. It's important to have a solid understanding of the markets and the trading strategies that you are using before you start trading with real money. Thank you for watching my YouTube channel. Please